Knowing how to properly color fondant is a basic skill for any cake decorator. It's very simple to learn and it only requires 2 steps. To get started, you first want to select your fondant and your colors. Today we're going to be using Satin Ice White. This fondant is so smooth and easy to use, and we're going to be using water-based gel color by Chef Master. And you want to make sure you're using a water-based gel color when it comes to coloring fondant, and you want to make sure that you avoid any oil-based colors. We have both of these products linked in the description for you below. Today we're going to be creating a fall green, so we're going to be using leaf green with a touch of buckeye brown. Coloring fondant is a very easy process. The first step is to add your color. If you are using a squeeze bottle, you can go ahead and just squeeze a drop or 2 of color. And now you want to just begin folding. Make sure that you're using food-safe gloves because these gel colors do tend to stain your hands, and those stains can last a few days. And you want to just continue to fold until your color is fully mixed into the fondant. And we are going to add a little bit of brown just to give our green a more fall feel. So as you can see, the color is already incorporating into the fondant. And now we're gonna go ahead and just add a dot of brown. You might wanna shake up your bottle before you use. Just a dot, just a touch. And if we need to add more, we can go back in and add more. Just continue to fold. Just pull apart and fold, pull apart and fold. And as you can see, the brown is starting to incorporate as well. And as you can see, the fondant is fully colored and it's now ready to be used. Don't forget to like and subscribe to BakeDeco for more tutorials like this.